Welcome to our leadership series. In this introductory video, we will explore the fundamentals of leadership, understand what it truly means to be a leader, and discover why effective leadership is so important in organizations today. Leadership is the ability to influence, motivate, and guide individuals or groups toward achieving common goals through vision, trust, and strategic direction. In simple terms, leadership is about inspiring others to follow you, not just commanding them to obey. A true leader creates trust and helps their team understand the bigger picture while working together toward shared objectives. 4 essential elements make up effective leadership. First, vision is having a clear direction and purpose that inspires others. Second, trust means building credibility and maintaining reliable relationships with your team. Third, influence is the ability to persuade and motivate others to take action. Finally, growth involves developing others and fostering continuous improvement throughout your organization. Leadership serves 3 primary purposes in organizations. First, goal achievement means aligning your team toward organizational objectives so everyone works in the same direction. Second, team motivation involves inspiring engagement and commitment from your people. Third, change management means guiding your organization through transformation and helping people adapt to new situations and challenges. Leadership matters for 6 critical reasons. It boosts organizational performance and productivity. It increases employee engagement, satisfaction, and retention. It drives creativity and continuous innovation. It shapes positive organizational culture and values. It provides clarity and strategic focus for the entire organization. And it fosters teamwork and unity among diverse groups of people working toward common goals. Effective leaders develop 4 core competencies. Emotional intelligence means having self-awareness and empathy in all interactions with others. Communication skills involve delivering messages clearly, honestly, and in ways that inspire action. Decision-making requires sound judgment and strategic thinking to solve complex problems. And relationship building means creating trust and developing strong, meaningful connections with the people you lead. There are 3 primary leadership styles. Directive leadership focuses on clear instructions and structured guidance, working best in situations requiring quick decisions. Supportive leadership emphasizes coaching and development of team members, creating an empathetic and people-focused environment. Participative leadership involves collaborative decision-making, where leaders value input from team members and create inclusive processes. Most effective leaders use different styles, depending on the situation and the needs of their team. Leaders face 4 major challenges. Resistance to change happens when people fear the unknown and prefer the status quo, requiring leaders to communicate vision clearly. Balancing priorities means managing competing interests and limited resources effectively. Accountability requires leaders to take responsibility for team outcomes and failures, not just successes. And time management involves juggling multiple demands and expectations while maintaining focus on what truly matters. Remember these 4 key points about leadership. First, leadership is fundamentally about influencing and inspiring others toward common goals, not about authority or position. Second, effective leaders possess vision, trust, and emotional intelligence as their core strengths. Third, leadership drives organizational performance, culture, and innovation across all levels. And fourth, leadership can be learned and developed through consistent practice and self-awareness. It is not an inborn talent, but a skill that anyone can improve.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.